Your vehicle is equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. The low tire pressure warning light will illuminate, and this warning message will appear in the vehicle information display when one or more tires are low on pressure and air is needed. Adjust the tire pressure to the recommended cold tire pressure shown on the tire and loading information label. This label provides important information at a glance. It lists proper tire size and pressure. It also lists the maximum number of occupants for your vehicle and its maximum load capacity. Please see your owner's manual for the location of the tire and loading information label on your vehicle. The tires are considered cold after the vehicle has been parked for 3 hours or more, or driven less than 1 mile at a moderate speed.
You can check the tire pressure of all 4 tires on the vehicle information display. Use these controls to navigate the vehicle information display until this screen appears. The order of the tire pressures shown corresponds with the actual order of the tire position. When adding air to an underinflated tire, the TPMS with Tire Inflation Indicator provides visual and audible signals outside the vehicle to help you inflate the tires to the recommended cold tire pressure. To use this system, ensure that the vehicle is parked in a safe and level place and that the parking brake is applied. Place the ignition switch in the on position, but do not start the engine. Add air to the tire, and after a few seconds, the hazard indicators will start flashing. If the hazard indicators do not flash within approximately 15 seconds after starting to inflate the tire, it indicates that the tire inflation indicator is not operating. After the correct tire pressure is reached, the horn beeps once and the hazard indicators stop flashing. If the tire is overinflated more than approximately 4 pounds per square inch, the horn beeps again and the hazard indicators flash 3 times. To correct this, push the core of the valve stem on the tire briefly to release the pressure. When the pressure reaches the correct level, the horn beeps once. After tire pressures are adjusted, drive the vehicle at speeds above 16 miles per hour. The warning and indicator light will disappear. If the low tire pressure warning light flashes for approximately 1 minute and then remains on after you turn the ignition on, the TPMS is not functioning properly. It is recommended you visit an INFINITI retailer and have the system checked. Tire pressure rises and falls depending on the heat caused by the vehicle's operation and the outside temperature. Low outside temperature can lower the temperature of the air inside the tire, which can cause a lower tire inflation pressure. This may cause the low tire pressure warning light to illuminate. The tire pressure monitoring system does not detect a sudden drop in tire pressure as with a tire blowout, and it is not a substitute for proper tire maintenance. Check the tire pressure in all tires, including the spare, often and always prior to long-distance trips. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.